सर पेज 12 पर इसका कंप्लीट आंसर खुद इलेक्शन कमीशन दे।
पहले ये बता दीजिए, उन्होंने राइटिंग में दिया आपको?
बिल्कुल किया।
अच्छा,
बिल्कुल किया। अब पेज 12 पर मुलाजा कीजिए इलेक्शन कमीशन उसको कैसे कर रही है।
What did you file?
I filed my application concerning, और जरा ओरिजिनल पिटीशन पर देख लीजिएगा पेज 20 पे।
No, this is your application.
The order है ना? What is your complaint?
This is the order of the Provincial Election Commission Punjab.
जी सर।
आपको कहाँ पेश होना था?
पेज 23 सर देख लें।
चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर के सामने पेश होना था?
पेश हुए
या पंजाब में पेश होना था?
पेश हुए नहीं, इलेक्शन कमीशन के पास पे उन्होंने डिसिपेट किया आगे नीचे सारों को। अब जरा पेज 20 पर देख लीजिएगा ओरिजिनल पिटीशन की, जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पिटीशन 47 है। ये मैंने एप्लीकेशन जाके वहां दी विद दी प्रेयर्स, पेज 23 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पिटीशन 47, पेज 23। अब पेज 23 पर जो चीजें मांगी, सारी पिटीशन तो लंबी है, मैं सिर्फ आपको वो दिखा रहा हूं जो मैंने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट की प्रेयर में। पेज 23 की प्रेयर, ये मैंने चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर। In the light of foregoing, it is prayed that the ECP pass appropriate orders to ensure that candidates of the applicant PTI, including those presently in detention, or who may be detained in future, or those who have been proclaimed offenders/absconders, are allowed to file their nomination papers for the general elections and attend to the scrutiny process, including the appeals against their candidature.
Koza Saab, I want to ask a question to you, because this is a contempt proceeding. This is nothing new petition. The original petition was disposed of by this court on 22nd December 2023, and para 4 contains the direction that you appear before the election commission and they will try to resolve your all complaints. But in this contempt petition, if you will see the title of the petition, you have made so many contemners in this. Besides election commission, जिसमें chief secretaries बहुत सारे कंटेम्नर बने हुए हैं, आईजी के पंजाब के बने हुए हैं। तो ये कंटेम्प्ट प्रोसीडिंग्स जो कंटेम्प्ट की है इलेक्शन कमीशन ने, वो थोड़ा सा बताइए ना, उनका कंटेम्प्चुअस एक्ट क्या है अगेंस्ट विच यू हैव कम हियर?
तो उन्होंने जो एनफोर्स करवाना,
That is why I was asking to you कि whether they have passed any order or not, on after providing opportunity of hearing to you whether any order was passed, any directions was given to the provincial election commissions.
हमें कुछ नहीं दिया जी।
हाँ, ये
हमें कुछ नहीं दिया, लेकिन ये जो पेज 12 में पढ़ रहा था, इससे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि वो यानी प्रोविंशियल इलेक्शन कमिश्नर्स उसको किस तरह से डील कर रहे हैं, हमारी जो कंप्लेंट्स आई।
तो वो कंटेम्प्ट, इसमें प्रोविंशियल इलेक्शन कमीशन जो है वो तो मेन पार्टी जो आपके पास है कंटेम्प्ट में है। मैं
उसे प्रोविंशियल
देख तो लीजिए ना। आफ्ताब अकबर दुरानी, सेक्रेटरी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंटीरियर, कंटेम्नर नंबर 1। उमर हामिद खान, सेक्रेटरी इलेक्शन कमीशन, कंटेम्नर नंबर 2। नदीम अहमद चौधरी, चीफ सेक्रेटरी KPK, कंटेम्नर नंबर 3। जाहिद अख्तर जमान, चीफ सेक्रेटरी पंजाब। मोहम्मद फखरे आलम इरफान, चीफ सेक्रेटरी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कराची सिंध। शकील खादिर, चीफ सेक्रेटरी बलूचिस्तान। डॉक्टर उस्मान अनवर, IG पंजाब। डॉक्टर खालिक शाह, IG बलूचिस्तान। अख्तर हयात, IG पुलिस KPK। रिफत मुख्तार, IG पुलिस सिंध। Just to my consumption, because the contempt proceeding is before us. The contemptor, the person who has violated the order of this court. So we have to first see who has violated the order of this court.
सर, ये आपने इलेक्शन कमीशन को पैराग्राफ 3 में लिखा कि आपकी ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ऑब्लिगेशंस हैं टू एंश्योर फ्री एंड फेयर एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट इलेक्शन।
पैरा 3 में तो देखे ना, आर्टिकल 218 है,
आपने उस पे लौट
और this is their responsibility to conduct the fair and transparent elections.
Exactly. And all authorities
हैं वो पैरा 4 में है।
मुझे आपका कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा केस। What do you want from us?
सर, अगर आप चाहते हैं मैं आपको CD प्ले कर देता हूँ सारे पाकिस्तान में।
अब आप प्लीज तकरीर ना करें, आप कानूनी बात कर लें। This is a constitutional court.
मैं इसीलिए
Everybody comes and makes a political statement here. Please tell us, you moved a contempt application against the Election Commission of Pakistan. The order had directed Election Commission of Pakistan to do something.
Yes.
Now you have moved a contempt application against IG and chief secretaries who have got nothing to do with the election commission. Election commission is a separate constitutional body. I hope I don't have to tell this to such senior counsel. You've not arrayed even the election commission of Pakistan as a respondent or the individuals. Contempt is committed by individuals. What has the IG police got to do with it? What has got a chief secretary got to do with it? The matter of election pertains to election commission of Pakistan.
Yes, and Election Commission of Pakistan is in charge of fair and free elections. What the Chief Election Commissioner has done, or the Election Commission has done, they passed on your Lordship's order to all concerned. Now, when I have moved applications and complaints where my proposers, seconders, candidates, their agents were obstructed and they were incarcerated and they were not allowed to cast their nomination papers before the returning officers, and or on the scrutiny day, the way they were roughed up and they were not allowed, the way the applications have been rejected. And
where is the proof of any of
Yes,
this?
I have given all that. And I
Where
was-
is it? These are just words that you are uttering from the rostrum. Show us some proof.
Yes, the CD is here, and I
CD is there.
मैंने CM में जो वन मूव की है, मैंने उसमें सारों के नाम दिए हैं जिनको ने रिजेक्ट किया है, जो इन्होंने
I don't know why we are doing this.
Yes, why we are doing this?
Can you please hear us and just hear the question and answer the question?
Sir.
You have invoked the jurisdiction of this court under Article 204 of the Constitution,
Yes.
which is contempt of an order of this court.
Yes.
So I don't want a yes from you, just hear us out. My learned brother has said that what order has the Election Commission of Pakistan violated? This court facilitated whatever you wanted, that you will go at 3 p.m. to the Election Commission and put all your grievances there. Now you are saying that the IG police and chief secretary have violated the order. They've got nothing to do with the election.